Oh, fucking shit. Oh, fuck. They put it on fucking Deathwish. Why would they put it on Deathwish? Deathwish. 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 On Deathwish. It doesn't have to be on Deathwish. Fuck. You realize it only has to be on hard, right?
Before anything, excellent. Time to put it to the test.
So we got.
Show some name.
Mark's here. Likely hiding a hatch. Remember the room. We'll come back here. Hearing police signals. Someone must have called him. Stay alert. Has a meth lab. I know you guys have torched a few labs in the past. Or brew a little magic. If you think you got the time and can find a formula. 3 more.
There's nothing else down here. Where the fuck this dude is?
That's it for the mobsters, gang. If they're not all dead, they're running. Either serves our purpose. Morgan, now get that gasoline in a car and torch it. Some men just want to watch the wheels burn. Good. Get back to the lot and start some fires. Now get that gasoline in a car and torch it. Haul that gas back to the cars. Light him up. Here come the cops.
You know what happens when you fuck with
Hey, there's more boards right here.
Hey, I think that gas station is on our friend's books. There's C4 in the DeLorean. Fetch it. Time to go
Jesus,
big.
the meth lab was boarded up. This is crazy. Oh my god.
The process is done. Bag it up and let's do another round. Russ has got a bit of loot stashed around the place. Not gonna make us rich.
Hey, where you guys want me to
but,
put? Where you guys want me to put these last boards?
Put the hands up.
Downstairs, you get thing. Okay.
Hey, Rick, come on. Yo,
I know,
Rick,
I know.
what's this?
Yeah, you know what happened in the last person I told how to play this game. Yeah, that would...
Huxley, follow me.
Let him have it.
Yeah, I probably get pissed. I probably get pissed too, but I wouldn't really get someone off my friends list. So I just like call him a douche, and then I would probably just forget about it in like a minute. Like honestly, I'd be like,
I felt that all the way over here.
You dumb asshole bastard! I'll fucking kill you for this! You hear? Kill you!
Gotcha. My guy is somewhere in, hang on.
I really don't care. Like over PSN, I really don't take any users.
Look around for something that might narrow down his own.
Because everybody forgets me on PSN like literally like
help
2
us
minutes.
locate the commissar. I got an idea how we can crack it. Violet's bringing you something.
I'm there in 1 minute. Time to get ready.
That's literally actually happened before. But no, I have. There are times where like if I consistently don't get along with somebody, I just leave them on friends list. But like honestly, like one time it's like okay, I don't like care. I'll probably just try tomorrow. It'll probably be over then. Like I'm actually not afraid now. I was actually kind of mean a bit. But that's fucking something I just started just calling me out on it. I know it's like I'm being a bitch, just calling me out on it. I literally would much rather have that than the silent treatment.
Broke it down. Ammo back to board.
Oh, dude, I know. I haven't had too much trouble with them. I think it's because I'm not the host, so they like. So I think the host gets always most started. Like, it's
Watch your heads, guys. Presence from heaven.
I think it's decent because usually their shields will look right at me and block me, but they just.
400 horsepower.
Alright, I got this. Oh shit! Now this is
Right off.
Get the fuck up.
I take it you have Inspire.
Now, disconnected to the hatch.
Yeah. I know Clown does.
You wait and see.
Wait, follow.
Only 1 minute to go.
Click the touchpad, or press on the touchpad and tell me what percentage it says your level up to. Okay, you'll probably actually get 4 because you're gonna get, I don't think that includes the income bonus for the stealth things.
Shit, we got bad cops moving in. Real bad cops. Keep your heads down. Almost open.
Yeah, maybe even 5 if you're really lucky.
Why are you doing this? I'll kill you in 100 different ways.
Yeah, that's the sweet sound of success.
Is it really actually?
Get yourself in the basement and check what's in there.
Nobody brings C4. Great. Oh, thank you.
Those stacked
850-pound gorilla.
out. Get the right one to the code reader,
Oh, he's...
and that should lead us straight to the commissar. We know the commissar call us from Georgetown.
What?
Look for something related to that place.
What do you mean? What do you mean that's what his name means?
Fuck.
Ammo back is placed.
Yeah, that's... Oh, you're from Britain. You probably... Yeah, no, that's well. I was like, you seriously don't know that?
Ready for anything.
I was about to say. I was gonna say, like, did you pass second grade? Because that's where I learned it. I think I knew pounds like the minute I could remember things. No. Let me tell you how stupid that'd be. That'd be like if you walked up to somebody, and that'd be like if I didn't know what grams cheese sticks. No, it is. I agree. No, I was telling Clown, like, that's if one of us came to Britain and was like, what does G stand for? That's like what it's... I mean, you really can't understand what 6'1". You can't understand what 6 miles is. 6 miles is fucking so stupid though. Oh, the best measuring unit ever created. Football fields. When people use her down. I don't mind it. No, I don't mind when people say that. It's like when it's on like a serious documentary. Like he was so happy. It's like, dude, you're supposed to be serious about this. Like actually say an actual unit of measurement. We know football fields is 100 yards, so just say how many yards it is.
Go, go, go! Walk on me! Now, walk!
God, there's a lot of guys out here. Yeah, are we cooking, I was about to say, are we cooking the extra bag since it's on Deathwish? Ooh. I'll go start cooking my batch right now. Hopefully I don't die by a dozer or something out here. Oh, Jesus, guys. Okay. I didn't mean to get down. I was almost to the safe location. By the way, I'm gray. I'll just hide in here, and when you guys get up here, drop me a doctor bag. I don't know. It's pretty well boarded up in here, so I should be fine.
No moving! Go, go, go! Wick, up with! Yo, Wick, on me!
Yeah, don't worry, I just need to get my health up.
Stay down!
Excellent job. We know where he is. Now hustle back to the car. Grab any loot before
Not gonna lie, if I didn't have bulletproof, I wouldn't run. Are we gonna leave right now? Ready?
Get the fuck up!
I said we cook the bags before we go. Those are like that's 5 million right there. Might as well. Nice bro, get out of my lobby. Maybe next time you just sit back and do nothing. Now delete me off the terminals.
Let me see you. Don't go being tricky now.
Facebook. Oh shit. You're gonna add me. You're gonna add me. Just delete me. Jesus Christ. That was very blatant. Hey, wait, is there any other ingredients downstairs? We'll smoke them and go get it. I haven't gotten it because I already have a set. So.
Process is done. Bag it up and let's do another round.
Alright. There's a bulldozer down here, by the way, guys. I'm just ignoring him because I'm so desynced. Nobody can actually. None of the guys are actually shooting me right now.
Drop the fucking weapon! Weapon down!
I always do that. Hey, dude. Hey, that's a perfect spot, especially if it has anti-diarrhea.
Get the fuck up! Get the fuck up! Wait, follow! Yo, wait, follow me!
Oxton Boogaloo.
Two hands, motherfucker!
Boogaloo? Really? That's really fucking stupid, honestly. Fuck.
Go, go, go!
God, I'm gonna throw a grenade near that wall.
Whoa, follow
I'm
me!
gonna bulldozer. 850 pound gorilla just took some damage from it.
Go! Hey! Whoa, follow! Go, go, go! Hands up! Yo, we're on me! Go! Rock it like that! Grab it! Go, go, go! Shut the fuck out!
Taking off their faceplates, there's 3 black dozers downstairs. Hey, Senior Sir, I like to fight the dozers from far away. Oh, you guys want an ammo bag? I should probably drop one down here. I'm gonna drop one here. This is the safest location there is.
It's personal now.
Let's hope this guy doesn't. Okay, we're gonna get 12.5 from this job, which is from this part. Wow, look at this place. Wow, he collided. Oh, he got a collateral. Oh, so you have Inspire. So you have Inspire basic container. Oh, it looked like you were reviving that guy pretty fast.
Wait, follow! Anyone!
Anti-diarrhea. Yeah, make sure you don't get that diarrhea. Women's rights. Like say something. Change the conversation direction. I saw this thing. Did somebody say throw a grenade in that one? Oh, there's enemies down here. Oopsie. I want it to be rainbow, okay? Don't point me. I am though. I'm gray as well. I don't like being gray. I lost Berserker though. I want it to be rainbow. Hey, it's better than rats. I used to have to listen to Bane's annoying whiny noise.
The process is done. Now get up and let's do another round.
Day 2 is where things get really chaotic, and me and Clown him. What is this guy doing right here? Day 2 is so chaotic though, like it's almost a little too chaotic at times. God, I remember when I was flashbang for a minute and a half straight, and I was in Swan Song 2 different times. Not even. Good thing I have stun resistance, but even then I don't think it'll be enough. No, they do.
We're using crates to get into the commissar's place.
I might actually platinum. If I get back into trophies, I think I'll platinum this game. I really want to platinum Fallout 4 when that comes out, because I know I'm going to be putting that much time into the game, might as well.
Objective is simple. Find the commissar.
Hey, what's smoking, man? We should set parties where we both play Fallout 4 and we talk about what we're doing. Yeah. Hey, so I'm at the inn. Should I pay for the bottle caps, or should I try and persuade them to let me in for free?
That surprised him. Now find the commissar. That rat must be on the other side of that reinforced door. Our inside man left a batch of C4. Grab it.
Faster.
Jesus Christ.
Inside.
Well, I remember I used to play Skyrim and
Ready to rock.
But no cigar, asshole.
Set up the elevator. Chase him. He escapes. The dentist will be pissed.
I used to. No, I was listening to something in my house.
We're nearby. Wondering if we're already ready to hit him. He's headed up. Look for the stairways up.
What was I going to say? What were we talking about here? Okay. I remember,
Commissar has a huge stack of coke up in his penthouse. The bad news, he's forcing it as fast as he can. There's a lot of money swirling down the crapper. The faster you get there, the bonus. Drill that gate, guys.
where is he? Yeah, where'd he go? Where's the money?
The staircase is blocked off. There must be a way up nearby.
Ah, the money bag is weird too. That's really annoying.
Go up. No.
I remember one time I took the money bags and I still blew them up.
Looks like they haven't had the time to get the wiring behind the wall. Find a switch.
Go. Yo, Wolf, come with. Wolf, on me.
Hey, get over here.
You sacks of wretched Yankee dick. You die today.
Gang, this isn't a place to do sightseeing. Get up there, come on, shift it.
Well spoken, man. How does it feel to be now on the road to Infamy 3? When you get to Infamy 5, that's when you're gonna get extremely irritated. When you get to Infamy 4, you're gonna get extremely irritated. You just wanna get to that last one.
Where is he?
Like this.
No, Wolf, on me.
He's down.
No, bulldozer. Get the fuck up. Hey, Whit, follow.
Well, yeah, when you play as much as you can clown, but like, even I was playing Hawks and Breakout was still taking forever, for me at least, because I was very, very impatient.
The crazy Ivan, get open. I'm sending
If you don't really mind, I was just really impatient, because I just wanted to play 5 already. Oh guys, we almost forgot the cocaine and cocaine accessories. Shut up. Shut up. Right. Yeah. Good. I don't know either. Hey, well spoken, man. You should just sit back where we spawn and not do anything, because...
Hey! The drill's in the area. Pilot said through a skylight. Find it.
What if I'm just like... Seriously, I'm still gonna do it by midnight. I'm seriously gonna do it by midnight, and I will push some money. Alright, PSN cards for me. Yes, that's a good bet.
Get the fuck up!
You've gone down because you should just sit in the back and not do anything. Fine, go back to just sitting. Go sit in the back. Clown, go sit in the back. That's your cue to leave the party and delete me off the campus. Oh god, there's fire! I was... I still can't believe that. All the things I thought they would piss token off. Fine. Okay. Okay. See you guys, I'm gonna go sit back. I don't belong here anymore.
Fires are under control. Now, back to the job.
I'm lost. How do I get back down?
Sounds like they're activating cyber teams.
Alright guys,
Go!
No. Flash, I can see it. That.
Hey, quick, follow! Go! Get the fuck up! Time to rest. Get the fuck up! Follow me!
I'm back.
Go! Wait!
And then flashbang. Do I hear someone laughing?
It's me.
Okay. I forgot you joined. I was like, what the heck? Am I going nuts?
Where's that dozer? Where's that dozer?
Excuse me. Oh, there's two. Get the other one, Clown.
Shit, there's a
Poor
fucking
Clown.
shield. I'm gray.
I'm stuck in here. Oh no. Clown, I'm trying to get you. I'm trying. Inspire's not working right now.
Shit.
Hey, also, you've spoken now. I think we read Inspire wrong. I think it says it doesn't work. I think it says...
Whoa, what the fuck was that?
Yeah. It says... You're right in front of the dozer, so just keep
We gotta
shooting.
get rid of this.
Ouch.
Shit.
Get the fuck up! Hey, quick, follow!
We gotta get rid of the shield. There's a shield over here on this platform that's just like dug in like a fucking tick.
Jesus.
He's just sitting in the back corner and you can't do anything about it. Shit,
Yeah, literally.
I need ammo.
Stun resistance might have been the best thing for this job. Like, I'm always gonna have stun resistance if I ever do this job. It was super
Gray
good.
hairs. Now it's time to work.
I got it.
Are up to something?
I got it.
Get those fires out.
Yeah, I got it. good.
Fire's out. You did well, gang.
Go. Ah, my 6. Go, go, go.
No.
Fucking 200 seconds. No way.
Hey, Wick, follow me.
And we're
Slow now.
running low on
That's
time.
only if the drill is a break again. I can't see shit. I can't.
Put this down.
Welcome on to the room.
Wow.
Nope. I'm picking up all the same. Too bad.
Get the fuck up. Hold me.
Yo, I hear a dozer.
Get back up and fight.
I gotcha. I heard one. I don't see it.
Yo, Wick, come in. Go, go, go.
I'm coming.
Sniper.
How much time do we got?
Who's down?
Some more, I'm down.
Oh, that dude is just eating bullets. Oh, fuck.
I got you, buddy. Shit,
A lot
why
of
is
ammo,
Inspire?
so...
Inspire? This is the worst mission for Inspire not to work, and what just killed me in that time?
There he is.
Oh,
There's a dozer.
Hey, Wick, follow me.
I got him. I'll get him up. I'll get him up. I'll get him up. I'll get him up. I gotcha. I gotcha.
Go, go,
We gotta get the hell out of here. Ah! The fuck you, dude!
Oh my god, we have 4 charges left. Oh my god, I
We
hope
gotta
we
get
have
that
time.
fucking drill back, yo.
I'm going for it, guys.
If I go down again, I'll be great again.
Guys, I'm just gonna throw the drill again.
Ray?
That was a really dumb speech. That was a really dumb
It
speech.
don't matter now, you're getting up anyway. I'll clear the snipers. Alright, get rid of the snipers. Where's the taser? Where is it?
You guys ever been flashbanged on this map so long you actually thought your game was glitched?
Looks like snipers are gonna get involved.
I would be glad to hear that. Yo, is that another taser? I mean, no, dozer. Sorry, man. I hear thumping.
Where is he now? Okay, the thing's open. Wait, it's...
You got a grenade. Throw him in there.
The door's open. Now, time to put this Kingpin in the bed. Deal with him. And that's the end. Comrade asshole is dead. Chopper is
I feel like
inbound.
people come up with so many ways to kill that dude.
I've seen guys just literally snow foam put mines on the ground. like they go through the paces of putting mines on the ground. I'm like, what? Why are you doing that? We got guys out in the hallway. Get the fuck, you know, fuck those dudes. They can stay out there. Over here.
Hurry for good spawns.
Yo, I'll toss it out. We'll toss. I can't see shit. There's a sniper up there.
I never asked for this.
Yo, I'll help you get these out of here, and then I'll start laying down fire. Just let me know when you guys are ready. I gotta reload. Oh, we're done? I didn't think we were done. That was a good run. Actually, that went pretty smooth.
You are one step closer to the release of your friend.
Yeah, then holy shit. 3.6. Oh, I still want that PSN card though. You're an asshole. I wanted that PSN card. Yeah, but you didn't. Yeah, but you could have been joking. All right, I'm down to only 3 hours left in token sales. Why? This is fucking bad. I only got 3 hours left to win my bet. I could get her back on my friends list and let by noon. Not by noon, by midnight. And I almost probably not. Hey, I just have to think of something. All right. Oh, black and orange! I'm so jealous. That one is such a good color.
That's one.